Welcome to our channel. NETGEAR CAX80 Wi-Fi not working. Is your NETGEAR CAX80 Wi-Fi suddenly acting up? Dropping connections, no internet access, or just plain not working? In this video, we'll walk you through a series of troubleshooting steps to get your NETGEAR CAX80 Wi-Fi back online. Restart the NETGEAR CAX80 Wi-Fi router. Locate the power button on the back of your NETGEAR CAX80. Press it to turn the router off. Wait for about 30 seconds. Then, press the power button again to turn it back on. Give it a few minutes to reboot and re-establish a connection. Check router's physical connections. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the CAX80 and the wall outlet. Also, ensure that the coaxial cable, the one that brings internet into your modem/router, is firmly connected to the CAX80 and the wall. Try accessing the router's interface via a wired connection. Open a web browser and try typing in routerlogin.net where the IP address 192.168.1.1. Press Enter. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, you can check your Wi-Fi settings, see if the Wi-Fi radios are enabled, and potentially diagnose further issues. If rebooting from the interface doesn't help, it's time to consider a factory reset. Reset button is given at the back of your NETGEAR CAX80. Use paperclip or a similar object to give it a gentle push. Power on your router, gently press and hold the reset button for about 7 to 10 seconds. Then, release it. Hope these troubleshooting steps help you get your NETGEAR CAX80 Wi-Fi back up and running. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like this solution guide tutorial. We will see you in the next one with new queries and solutions. Thank you for watching.